Ezra Chapter 2, King James. Now these are the children of the province that went up out of the captivity, of those which have been carried away, whom Nebuchadnezzar the king of Babylon had carried away unto Babylon, and came again unto Jerusalem and Judah, every one unto his city, which came with Zerubbabel, Jeshua, Nehemiah, Sariah, Reelaiah, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mizpar, Bigvai, Rehum, Baanah, the number of the men of the people of Israel. The children of Parosh, 2,172. The children of Shephatiah, 372. The children of Era, 775. The children of Pahath Moab, of the children of Jeshua and Joab, 2,812. The children of Elam, 1,254. The children of Zattu, 945. The children of Zakkai, 703 score. The children of Bani, 642. The children of Abai, 623. The children of Azgad, 1,222. The children of Adonikam, 666. The children of Bigvai, 2,056. The children of Adin, 454. The children of Ater of Hezekiah, 98. The children of Bazai, 323. The children of Ura, 112. The children of Hazam, 223. The children of Gibbar, 95. The children of Bethlehem, 123. The men of Netopha, 56. The men of Anathoth, 128. The children of Asmaveth, 42. The children of Kirjatharim, Kephirah, and Beeroth, 743. The children of Ramah and Gaba, 621. The men of Michmash, 122. The men of Bethel and Ai, 223. The children of Nebo, 52. The children of Magbish, 156. The children of the other Elam, 1,254. The children of Haram, 320. The children of Lod, Hadid, and Ono, 725. The children of Jericho, 345. The children of Sina, 3,630. The priests, the children of Jediah, of the house of Jeshua, 973. The children of Immer, 1,052. The children of Pashur, 1,247. The children of Haram, 1,017. The Levites, the children of Jeshua and Kadmiel, of the children of Hodaviah, 74. The singers, the children of Asaph, 128. The children of the porters, the children of Shallum, the children of Ater, the children of Talmon, the children of Akub, the children of Hadadah, the children of Shobai, in all 139. The Nethinims, the children of Ziha, the children of Hasupha, the children of Tabaoth, the children of Kuros, the children of Siaha, the children of Padon, the children of Labana, the children of Hagabah, the children of Akub, the children of Hagab, the children of Shalmai, the children of Anan, the children of Giddel, the children of Gahar, the children of Rhea, the children of Rezin, the children of Nekoda, the children of Gazam, the children of Uzzah, the children of Paseah, the children of Besai, the children of Asna, the children of Mehunim, the children of Nephusim, the children of Bakbuk, the children of Hakupha, the children of Harher, the children of Bazlith, the children of Mehida, the children of Harsha, the children of Barkos, the children of Sisera, the children of Thama, the children of Neziah, the children of Hatapha, the children of Solomon's servants, the children of Sotai, the children of Sophereth, the children of Peruda, the children of Jala, the children of Darkon, the children of Giddel, the children of Shephatiah, the children of Hattil, the children of Pachereth of Zebaim, the children of Ami. All the Nethinims, and the children of Solomon's servants, were 392. And these were they which went up from Tel Melah, Tel Harsa, Cherub, Adin, and Immer, but they could not shew their father's house, and their seed, whether they were of Israel. The children of Deliah, the children of Tobiah, the children of Nekoda, 652, and of the children of the priests, the children of Abiah, the children of Koz, the children of Barzillai, which took a wife of the daughters of Barzillai the Gileadite, and was called after their name. These sought their register among those that were reckoned by genealogy, but they were not found. Therefore were they, as polluted, put from the priesthood. And the Tirshatha said unto them, that they should not eat of the most holy things, till there stood up a priest with Urim and with Thummim. The whole congregation together was 40,002,360, beside their servants and their maids, of whom there were 7,337, and there were among them 200 singing men and singing women. Their horses were 736, their mules 245, their camels 435, their asses 6,720. And some of the chief of the fathers, when they came to the house of the Lord which is at Jerusalem, offered freely for the house of God to set it up in his place. They gave after their ability unto the treasure of the work 61,000 drams of gold, and 5,000 pounds of silver, and 100 priest garments. So the priests and the Levites and some of the people and the singers and the porters and the Nethinims dwelt in their cities, and all Israel in their cities. Commentary. Ezra Chapter 2 may seem like a long record of names and numbers, yet it is a testimony to God's faithfulness and covenant memory. Every family counted mattered to the Lord. These were not forgotten captives. They were restored heirs returning to promise. The careful genealogies also reveal the seriousness of holiness. Those who could not prove their lineage were set aside from priestly service until clarity came. Restoration was joyful, but it was also reverent. This chapter reminds us that God values both belonging and obedience, and that true rebuilding begins with identity rooted in Him.